Good morning, traders. My name is Jipson and I've been a funder trader for a while. Um, I just wanted to share some of the ideas so you can pass your evaluation account and successfully keep your funder trader. First thing to share is that you need to treat your trading as a business. So one way to help you with that is to make a Google sheet or Excel sheet. I like to use the Google sheet, and as you can see, I noted down when the account was started and the beginning amount, and then with OneUp Trader you have to trade at least a minimum of 15 days. So I usually finish my trading account in 15 days, so I target for that. But if you have a losing day or something, you can go all the way up to a month before you get charged again, right? And actually there is no maximum time, so you, as long as you keep paying the monthly subscription, you can go as much as you want. But in my case, I usually finish it in 15 days. So my trade plan would be make $200 each day, and then on the 15th day I would be done with my $3,000 goal on a 50,000 account. So as you can see, I have written down all the trading days and the dates and the $200 and then what it would give me each day. And then I also take a snapshot of the rhythmic and put it here. And I also have how many winning days, how many winning trades, and how many losing trades I had. So I wrote it down everything so I can keep track of how many total number of trades I have, all that stuff. So just like I said, if you have a losing day, you just keep trading, right? So you can go more than 15 days. So make a plan like this so you know where you are, and then you know how much money you need to make. So this also helps you not to overtrade. And also you can see that I make more than $200 most of the days. That is because I don't shut down a trade that is winning in my favor. So what I do is when I see my profit going above 200, I lock in with my stop. So if it try to come against me, I will make $200 for the day and I'm done. If it doesn't, if it keep running, then I keep taking the profit, and that's how I keep making more money. But you don't have to do that. So right now I want to share with you one of my strategy, which I call liquidity trading. So after checking the news and everything for the day, what I do is I go to a 4-hour time frame, and this is an NQ chart. So I keep drawing the liquidity bars. So a liquidity bar is nothing but, you may call it order block, you may have heard it, so you don't have to make it all complicated like some other people do. So for me it's an easy peasy thing. So all I do is I just draw the last green bar before a down move. So this is my liquidity bar on the 4-hour chart. So I just draw it. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna go down to a 60-minute and refine it. So it's the same rectangle we did. So on a 60-minute refine it, you just use the same exact procedure. Use the last green bar. See, in this down move, this is the last green bar, that's your liquidity bar. You can already see that it's been respected really well here. So I start my trading day usually at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm on Central Time. There is no secret about 7 o'clock. It is just when I wake up usually, so there's no secret about that time. So just so you know, so that's my 7 o'clock. Then for my trading I go down to 5 minute or 1 minute. So it doesn't matter, it's just where you see. So when you look at this one here, you can see another order block or liquidity bar on the 5 minute as well, right? And let me make that a little bigger. There you go. So, and it is also inside the 60-minute liquidity, right? So I'm at 7 o'clock, right? So let's look at it. As soon as the price come into here, I would put my order right here, right underneath this 5-minute liquidity, right? So, and then my stop would be right above the liquidity bar. Right above the 60-minute liquidity. And then so 60, and I think the market is going to open soon. Yep, 8 o'clock. and then there's the market open. So 8:30, this is 8:30. I'm on Central Time again, so for me market opens at 8:30. I have my order waiting there, and it comes and trigger you, and then come. The first target would be the liquidity at the bottom, which would be this one here, the red bar before the move up. So that's my first target. As you can see, that has been hit pretty easily. And then the second target would be next one here. Oops, missed. Yep. So that would be the second target, and then the third one would be if you have that many orders, right? But I don't usually have that many. I only trade with 1 or 2 contracts. So you can see the first was hit easily, and then the second was hit easily, the third is not hit, and the price bounced back, right? I definitely don't wait for this bounce up, right? Take my target over here, or over here, depends upon what I'm trying to make for the day. So just wanted to share that with you all. So hope you all have a good day, and happy trading.